Best Way Auto Upholstery presents Ferrari 308 GTS interior repair. Look at this gorgeous black Ferrari. It is in perfect condition. The only one minus is its interior. Seats, door panels, carpet and dashboard panel need to be repaired. From the minor scratches on leather upholstery to major electrical problems. All the works on Ferrari require experience and professionalism. Here we removed the dashboard panel. As you can see, many wires need to be marked before any work started. Door buttons were broken. It is very easy to mess up at this point of restoration. Why to choose us? We are experienced Ferrari interior professionals. This is a simple answer. Leather upholstery was completely restored. The dashboard looks like new. We connected all the electronics and installed back. New door panels, floor carpet, refreshed leather seats. The owner was fully enjoyed his Ferrari restoration. Interior looks fresh and new. Visit Best Way Auto Upholstery for a complete auto restoration or minor auto interior repair. Call for a quote 323 435 8417.